to initiate all cases of impeachment, hindi po yun absolute o absoluto. In fact, sa isang kaso na sinay din namin sa petition, malinaw na sinabi ng Korte Suprema na itong power na ito, itong kapangyarihan na ito, ay subject sa parameters or constitutionally imposed standards such as the manner of filing, the number of votes required, and the one-year constitutional.
Some House
i-raise nyo din,
lawmakers say,
attorney,
ma'am, na
sa
this is
signature.
an...
Attorney, i-raise nyo din ba yung issue yung sa signatures kung talagang pinirmahan? Kasi parang walang picture sa nag-vote yung mga
Hindi ko po alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, humihingi kami ng certified true and correct copy from the Secretary General, and I think this is a request that was refused, no?